District Legal Services Authority Thoubal, under the sponsorship of Manipur State Legal Services Authority Imphal, organized a one-day legal literacy program cum quiz competition at KM Blooming Higher Secondary Complex, Khangabok today. Lok Sabha MP R.K. Ranjan said that the current situation in Manipur is not mature enough, which can be brought up in the parliament, but he said he is always ready to face it. Manipur State Tourism Department is all set to host the Sangai Festival from November 24th till 30th, amid call from Kokomi to boycott the festival in view of the present situation caused by Indo-Naga peace talks in the state. Protesters in Hong Kong have cleared a highway blocked by demonstrators since Monday as a gesture of goodwill, as political unrest paralyzed the city for a fifth day in a row. At a press conference, demonstrators at the Chinese University of Hong Kong, one of the main battlegrounds of the last week, said they would reopen the Tolo Highway, a major traffic artery outside of the school. As a part of the 130th birth anniversary of India's Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, St. George High School, Moreh observed Children's Day yesterday. Major Pravesh Kumar of 43 Assam Rifles and General Secretary Church Peter Hauke presided the function. Miyamgi Numit Kam Hill Leaders Day is held today at the Chief Minister's Secretariat in Imphal. Several people from all walks of life gathered at the venue from early morning to meet Chief Minister N. Biren and share their grievances with the leader. Under the Ministry of Women and Child Development, Government of India, a one-stop center was opened at the new mini secretariat complex of Bishnupur District. Deputy Commissioner of Bishnupur District, Nita Arambam, inaugurated the center. To be mentioned, One-Stop Center aims at providing help to women above 18 years of age in times of distress. 57 nations across the globe have sued Myanmar for alleged genocide against its Rohingya minority. According to reports, the lawsuits are being filed at the International Court of Justice. The suit comes just weeks after the United Nations warned that the violent campaign against the Rohingya is continuing in northwest Myanmar. Its special envoy called for the United Nations Security Council to refer Myanmar's senior officials to the International Criminal Court, a separate international body. India International Trade Fair 2019 got underway in Pragati Maidan of New Delhi yesterday. The Assam Pavilion in IITF 2019 was inaugurated by Kailash Chand Samiria, Principal Resident Commissioner, Assam Bhavan, New Delhi. Amid political crisis in Maharashtra over government formation, the National Congress Party, Congress and Shiv Sena held discussions on the common minimum program for a coalition government. As per sources, Shiv Sena will get a full-term Chief Minister while Congress and NCP will get to appoint one Deputy Chief Minister each from their ranks.